Good morning, students. Yes, how you are? Yes, all are fine. Okay, in my last class, you learnt what are the things you learnt in my last class? Alphabets, capital letters, small letters, then vowels, consonants, and what is alphabetical order, how to write alphabetical order. Those things you learned in my last class. Okay, ನೀವು ಕಳೆದ ತರಗತಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಆಲ್ಫಾಬೆಟ್ಸ್ ಕಲ್ತಿದ್ದೀರಾ. ಆಲ್ಫಾಬೆಟ್ಸ್ ಎಷ್ಟಿದಾವೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದೀನಿ ನಾನು? ಎಸ್, ಎಷ್ಟಿದಾವೆ? 26. 26 ನೊಳಗೆ we make two groups. What are the two groups? Vowels and consonant. Vowels and consonant. First group, vowel. How many vowels are there? Vowels ಎಷ್ಟಿದಾವೆ? Come on, tell me anyone. How many vowels are there? 5 vowels are there. Yes, of course. Tell me what are those 5 vowels? A, E, I, O, U. A, E, O, I, O, U. Those are called what? Vowels. Remaining letters are called what? Consonants. Yes, vowels and consonants. Then you learned how to write alphabets in 4 lines. How to write alphabets in 4 lines. This thing also you learned in the last class. ಕಲ್ತಿದ್ರೆ ತಾನೆ 4 lines ನಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವ ತರನಾಗಿ alphabets ಬರಬೇಕು. Maybe capital letter or small letter. Okay, either capital letter or small letter. How to write already you learned in the last class. Okay, dear students, ಇವನ್ ಆಲ್ಫಾಬೆಟಿಕಲ್ ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಅಂತ ಕಲ್ತಿದ್ದೀರಾ. ಹೆಂಗಂದ್ರೆ ಎ ನಂತರ ಬಿ, ಬಿ ನಂತರ ಸಿ, ಸಿ ನಂತರ ಡಿ. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ನಾವೇನಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ವಾಟ್ ಯು ಕಾಲ್ ದಟ್? ವಿ ಕಾಲ್ ದಟ್ ವಾಟ್? ಆಲ್ಫಾಬೆಟಿಕಲ್ ಆರ್ಡರ್. ಇದನ್ನು ಕೂಡ ನೀವೇನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀರಪ್ಪ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಕಳೆದ ತರಗತಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಕಲ್ತಿದ್ದೀರಾ. ಡಿಡ್ ಯು ಲರ್ನ್? You understood? Yes. Next chapter. Look at the second chapter. Grouping letters as word. What is the second chapter is there? Grouping letters as word. Yes, word means what? Group of letters. Word ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನಪ್ಪ ಅಂದ್ರೆ group of letters. That is called what? Word. Okay. Word ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು? Word means what? Group of what? Letters. Group of letters, that is called word. So here second chapter is given grouping letters as words. Just look at the pictures. What are the words are here? Just try to read. Okay, read and say. So first, what is the spelling here? A-R-M. First word is what? A-R-M. A-R-M means what? What is the picture here? R. It is called what? R. R mandrena todu. R mandrena todu. So first word is A-R-M. A-R-M R. A-R-M R. Second, what is the picture here? What it is? When you go to play cricket, which are things you carry? Stick, ball, then bat. So what it is? It is picture of what? Bat. What is the spelling of bat? What is the spelling here? B-A-T, bat. What is the spelling of bat? B-A-T, bat. Does it understand? First one A-R-M R, then second one B-A-T, bat. Then third picture is what? What is the picture it is? Yes, Yes, in summer season or rainy season we use the what on the end as CAB cap. Is it cap na? Is it cap ತಾನೆ? ಸಮ್ಮರ್ ಸೀಸನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನೀವೇನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಪ್ಪ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಕ್ಯಾಪ್ ಅನ್ನ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಿ. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ? So then what it is for picture? What it is ಏನಿದು? What is the spelling is there? Come on, tell me what is the spelling of fourth one? DOLL. DOLL. That means what? DOLL. Doll means what? Gombe. Is it right? It is a Gombe. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ? DOLL doll. Then E ನಂತರ sorry D ನಂತರ E. It is what? What is the picture it is? Yes, egg. What is the spelling of egg? Tell me. E-double-G. E-double-G, egg. Okay, then after E ನಂತರ ಯಾವ ಬರುತ್ತೆ? F. So F-double-O-T, food. It is a picture of what? Food. Foot it is singular. Foot it is singular. The plural feet. Okay. Foot it is singular. The plural is feet. Okay. F ನಂತರ ಯಾವ ಬರುತ್ತೆ? What it is? Goat. What is the spelling of goat? G-O-A-T. goat. ಆಡು. ಮನೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ರೈತರು ಸಾಕ್ತಿರ್ತಾರೆ. ಆಡು, ಕುರಿ, ಎಮ್ಮೆ ಸಾಕ್ತಿರ್ತಾರೆ. ಸೊ ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ನಾವೇನು ಕರಿತೀವಿ? ಗೋಟ್ ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. ಗೋಟ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು? ಆಡು. ಸೊ ದೆನ್ H. What it is? Horse. What is the spelling of horse? H-O-R-S-E. What is the spelling of horse? H-O-R-S-E. horse. Kudure. Horse ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು? Kudure. Then H ನಂತರ what it is? What pot it is? What pot it is? Ink pot. What it is? Ink pot. What is the spelling of ink pot? I-N-K then P-O-T. ink pot. Ink pot. Then jester. The spelling is there. What is the spelling of jester? J-E-S-T-E-R. Jester means just like a joker. Jester means like a joker. In the circus, you may see the joker. Okay, the different type of dress you wore, and automatically when you see the person, you feel laugh. You are laughing at him. Is it right? So jester. It is called what? Jester. Then J after K. What is the picture of this one? If you see this picture, what do you think? What it is? Anything? S. K-I-N-G, king. K-I-N-G, king. Then king. K after, what is it? Lamb. What is the spelling of lamb? L-A-M-P. L-A-M-P, lamb. Okay. A, B, C, D, E, F. G, H, I, J, K, L. L after? What alphabet you want to write? L after? M. Yes, what it is? Where it is? In the tree, na? So what it is? Picture of monkey. It is a picture of what? Monkey. It means M for monkey. What is the spelling of monkey? M-O-N-K-E-Y. M-O-N-K-E-Y. monkey. Yes, then yes, it is a nib, pen nib. N-I-B, nib. Then which bird it is? Owl. Which bird it is? Owl. It flies. This bird flies in night only. Especially night it start to fly. Owl. What is the spelling of owl? O-W-L. O-W-L, owl. Then what it is? S-P-I-G, pig. What is the spelling of pig? P-I-G, pig. Then next, Q. Wheel. Q-U-I-L-L. Wheel. Otherwise, wheel. Okay. Then what it is? The picture of reel. It is used in cinema. Reel. R-E-E-L, reel. Then the picture. What is it? What is it? What it is? S for servant. S for what? Servant. Now you tell me what is the spelling of servant? S-E-R-V-A-N-T. Servant. Okay. Then our national animal. What is our national animal? ಯಾವುದು ನಮ್ಮದು ರಾಷ್ಟ್ರ ಪ್ರಾಣಿ ಯಾವುದಕ್ಕಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ ನಾವು ರಾಷ್ಟ್ರ ಪ್ರಾಣಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ? S, tiger. T for tiger. T-I-G-E-R, tiger. Is it understand? T-I-G-E-R, tiger. Yes, in rainy season and summer season we have to use what it is? ಬೇಸಿಗೆ ಕಾಲದಲ್ಲಿ ಮತ್ತು ಮಳೆಗಾಲದಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಪ್ಪ ಅಂದರೆ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. ವಾಟ್ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್? ಏನಿದೆ? ಎಸ್, ಅಂಬ್ರೇಲಾ. ಯು ಫಾರ್ ವಾಟ್? ಅಂಬ್ರೇಲಾ. ವಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ ದ ಸ್ಪೆಲ್ಲಿಂಗ್ ಆಫ್ ಅಂಬ್ರೇಲಾ? ಜಸ್ಟ್ read that spelling. U-M-B-R-E-L-L-A, umbrella. Okay, then what it is? Van. What is the spelling of van? V-A-N, van. V-A-N, van. Then next picture, water. Which animal it is? Wolf. What is the spelling of wolf? W-O-L-F, wolf. Then xylophone. Xylophone. X-Y-L-O-P-H-O-N-E, xylophone. X for xylophone. Then hatch. S-Y for hatch. V-A-T-C-H. Sorry, C-H-T. V-A-C-H-T, hatch. Then Z for what? Zebra. Zebra ನೋಡಿದ್ರಾ? ಹೆಂಗಿರುತ್ತೆ? ವೈಟ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಬ್ಲಾಕ್. ಜಿಬ್ರಾ ಹೆಂಗಿರುತ್ತಪ್ಪ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ವೈಟ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಬ್ಲಾಕ್ ಸ್ಟ್ರಿಪ್ ಇರ್ತಾವ. ಏನಿರ್ತಾವ? ವೈಟ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಬ್ಲಾಕ್ ಸ್ಟ್ರಿಪ್ಸ್ ಇರ್ತಾವ, ಪಟ್ಟಿ ಇರ್ತಾವ. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ನಾವೇನಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ zebra. Is it understand? This like you have to write word. You have to write word. First one A-R-M, arm. Look at the first spelling. A-R-M, arm. Arm andre tolu. Then B-A-T, bat. B-A-T, bat. Then C. What it is? C-A-P, cap. C-A-P, cap. Then DOLL. Don't say it is DOLL. Don't say that like DOLL. Doll. Doll ಅಂದ್ರೇನು? ಗೊಂಬೆ. Do you like it? ಗೊಂಬೆನ ಇಷ್ಟಪಡ್ತಿರ್ತಾನೆ? Yes. Then what it is? E for egg. E for what? Egg. What is the spelling of egg? EZZ egg. EZZ egg. Then F for F for food. F for what? Food. Then G for goat. GOAT goat. Then H for what? Horse. HORSE horse. Then ink pot. INKPOT ink pot. I for ink pot. Then J for jester. J for what? Jester. Then K for king. K for what? King. Then L for what? What is the spelling here? LAMP. That means what? Lamp. Lamp. When the current went out, we use the lamp. Current ಹೋಗ್ಕೊಂಡು ನಾವು ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಪ್ಪ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಲ್ಯಾಂಪ್ ಅನ್ನು ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. Then L next M. What is the spelling? Read it. MONKEY. That means what? Monkey. Yes. MONKEY. Monkey. Then yes. N for nib. Just pen nib. Pen nib. Then what it is? OWL. Old. ಗೂಬೆ ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. ಗೂಬೆ ಹಗಲತ್ತಲ್ಲಿ ಸಂಚರಿಸುತ್ತಾ, ರಾತ್ರಿ ಸಂಚರಿಸುತ್ತಾ. ಯಾವಾಗ ಹರಡುತ್ತೆ ಗೂಬೆ? ರಾತ್ರಿ ಹೊತ್ತು. ಓಕೆ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಪಿಗ್. ಎಸ್, ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಕಾಮನ್ ಅನಿಮಲ್. ಇನ್ ಯುವರ್ ಸ್ಟ್ರೀಟ್, ಇನ್ ಯುವರ್ ಸರೌಂಡಿಂಗ್ ಏರಿಯಾ ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಸಿ ದಿ ಪಿಗ್. ನಿಮ್ಮ ಆಜು ಬಾಜು ನೀವು ಓಡಿ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು ಅಂದರೆ ನೀವು ಈ ಅನಿಮಲ್ ಅನ್ನು ನೋಡ್ಬೋದು. ಯಾವುದಂದ್ರೆ PAZ ಪಿಗ್. PAZ ಪಿಗ್. ದೆನ್ Q for quill. ಗರಿ ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ ನಾವು. ಏನಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ? ಗರಿ. QUILL quill. QUILL. ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಫೆದರ್ ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. ಅಂದರೆ ಗರಿ ಅಂತ, ರೆಕ್ಕೆ ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. ಓಕೆ. ದೆನ್ REEL. R for reel. ಸೊ ನಾವೆಲ್ಲಿ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ ಅಂದರೆ ರೀಲ್ ಕ್ಯಾಮ್ರಾದಲ್ಲಿ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. ಮತ್ತು ಸಿನಿಮಾ ಥಿಯೇಟರ್ ಒಳಗೆ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ ನಾವು? ರೀಲನ್ನು ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಫಿಲ್ಮ್ ನೋಡ್ತೀವಿ. ಈಗ ಏನಿಲ್ಲ, ಈಗ ಎಲ್ಲ ಸ್ಯಾಟಲೈಟ್ ಥ್ರೂ. ಓಕೆ, ಎಲ್ಲ ಏನಾಗಿದೆಪ್ಪ ಅಂದರೆ ಸ್ಯಾಟಲೈಟ್ ಥ್ರೂ ಆಗಿದೆ. ಆವಾಗ ಏನಿತ್ತಪ್ಪ ಅಂದರೆ ರೀಲ್ ಇತ್ತು. ಓಕೆ. ದೆನ್ ಎಸ್ ಫಾರ್ ವಾಟ್? ಸರ್ವೆಂಟ್. SERVANT. ಸರ್ವೆಂಟ್. ಓಕೆ. ಸರ್ವೆಂಟ್ ಎಲ್ಲಿರ್ತಾರೆ ಹೇಳ್ರಿ? ನಿಮ್ಮ ಮನೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಇರ್ತಾರೆ ಸರ್ವೆಂಟ್. ಕಸ ಗುಡಿಸೋದು, ಬಾಂಡೆ ತಿಕ್ಕೋದು, ನೆಲ ಒರೆಸೋದು, ಇವೆಲ್ಲ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾರಪ್ಪ ಅಂದರೆ ಸರ್ವೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿರ್ತಾರೆ. ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ನಾವೇನು ಕರಿಬೇಕು? ಸರ್ವೆಂಟ್ ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. ದೆನ್ ಅವರ್ ನ್ಯಾಷನಲ್ ಎನಿಮಲ್. ನಮ್ಮ ರಾಷ್ಟ್ರ ಪ್ರಾಣಿ ಯಾವುದು? ನಮ್ಮ ರಾಷ್ಟ್ರ ಪ್ರಾಣಿ ಹುಲಿನ, ಸಿಂಹನ? ಯಾವುದು ನಮ್ಮ ರಾಷ್ಟ್ರೀಯ ಪ್ರಾಣಿ? ಯಾವುದು? ಹುಲಿ. What you call in English? Tiger. What is the spelling of tiger? TIGER. Tiger. Then umbrella. ಛತ್ರಿ ಅಥವಾ ಕೊಡೆ ನಾವು ಯಾವ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಪ್ಪ ಅಂದರೆ in which season we have to use umbrella? Common. Summer and rainy season. Don't use the umbrella in winter season. Okay, we use the umbrella in rainy season and summer season. Umbrella. What is the spelling of umbrella? UMBRELLA. A, umbrella. Here spelling. Then van, V-A-N, van. Okay, then W-O-L-F, wolf. W for wolf. W for what? Wolf. Then xylophone, it is a musical instrument. It is one kind of a musical instrument. Okay, just like a sitar, tabla, how they are, that's like it is also one musical instrument, xylophone. Okay, then catch, catch andre ಸಣ್ಣ ಹಡಗು. Okay, Y-A-C-H-T, catch. Then Z-E-B-R-A, zebra. Z for what? Zebra. Is it understand? Now you write down all these are the words A to Z. A to Z, write the words. Children, is it understand? A to Z words. Okay. Then you just do the homework. What homework you want to do? Page number 5 is there. Page number 5 is there. Look at the first pen. Read and say. First exercise is what? What is the first exercise? Read and say. So many words are here. Okay, many words are here. Just you read and say. Which spelling? ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ? ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದಿಷ್ಟು ವರ್ಡ್ಸ್ ಇದಾವೆ, ಅವ್ನು ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು? ಓದಬೇಕು ಮತ್ತು ಹೇಳಬೇಕು. ವಿಚ್ ಸ್ಪೆಲ್ಲಿಂಗ್? ಸ್ಪೆಲ್ಲಿಂಗ್ ಸಮೇತ. ಫಾರ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ BOY, boy, this line. Okay, BOY, boy. Then GIRL. That what? GIRL. What do you call? Tell me. GIRL. What is that word? Girl. 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 Okay. See here, second exercise. Look at each picture. So many pictures are here. Is it? So many pictures are given. Look at each picture and read the words, say right or wrong. The pictures are here, under the words are there. Those are right or wrong. For example, OX, ox, it is right. Okay, then it is right. CAT, cat. So here third picture. Look at the third picture. What is the picture of third one? What it is? It is a cot. But under the word is what? Fan. It is right or wrong? What it is? This like you identify the picture and read the words and say right or wrong. Right or wrong. You do this one. Then third exercise here. Third exercise. Look at the third exercise. What is that? Complete the word giving number the pictures. Number the pictures. Here. Complete the words given under the picture. Given under the picture here. What is the picture of this one? For example, tell me. This is what? What it is? Pen. That's like you should write here. You have to write here what? Pen. Pen. Then second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth. The here dog is there. That spelling you have to write. Then table is there. Table spelling you have to write here. Then what it is? S. It is common to you. Every day you are using this one. Then what it is? Fifth picture. Then sixth picture is there. Then the fruit is there. Then where it is? It is in the water, not outside. Okay. It is what? Then yes, when you come to school, just you wear it. What it is? ಇದು ಯಾವುದು ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ? Then fourth, make word. Fourth one, make word. For example, GBA. ಏನಾಗಿರುತ್ತೆ ಇದು? BAC bag. Okay. You jumble words ಅಂತ ಕರೀತೀವಿ. Jumble words. ಏನಾಗಿ ಇಂದ ಮುಂದೆ ಆಗಿವ ಅವನಿಗೆ ನೀವು ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ. For example, bag. One more example I want to know. So WOC. How to make it correct? WOC. Which word you can make by using the letters? Yes. S. Tell me. COW. 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 Is it understand? That's like other examples you have to do in the home without anybody else. First you try to do only yourself, then you ask your parents if you don't understand. Okay, those exercise you have to complete. That is your homework. Okay, see you in the next class.